Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back to another edition of Think Different Television. All right, we are now doing equations of lines. We talked about slopes before, but now we're talking about equations. Yeah, and there's two equations we have to talk about when we're talking about parallel and perpendicular lines. You already know about the slopes, so now let's talk about the lines. So, one is slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. One is point-slope form, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. That sounds confusing. Let's break it down. All right, notes time. Here we go. Title this on your page, Equations of Lines. Blast from the past. Here is Algebra 1, Slope-intercept form. Why is it called slope-intercept form? Well, people who create math terms are not very creative. It's called slope-intercept form because it has a slope and a y-intercept. So y equals mx plus b. The slope is m. The slope is not mx. Like if this were 2x, the slope ain't 2x. It's just 2. And then the y-intercept right here. So slope-intercept form. Y equals mx plus b. Got it. Now here's a new one. This one may be new to you, but this one's actually easy. It looks more complicated, but it's actually easier than the other one. We're going to use it a lot, so check it out. Point-slope form. Why it's called point-slope form? Well, it gives you a point and a slope of a line, and then you create the equation. So it looks kind of complicated. I'll explain it in the second part. Copy that down. Pause the video where you need. This has to be in your notes. Okay, cool. Next. Here are some problems to do. So copy these down from your PDF right here. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 we're going to do. Once you get 5, you're good. 6 is whatever. Write an equation in slope-intercept form of a line having the given slope and y-intercept. So write a little directions. Copy down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in your notes. Go. All right, cool. So here you go. Write in slope-intercept form. So slope-intercept form is y equals mx plus b. Copy down what I copied down. So m in number 1 is 2. So 2 is going to go here. And then y-intercept is negative 3. So y-intercept is b, so negative 3 is going to go here. So this is going to be y equals 2x minus 3. The y-intercept is negative 3. The slope is 2. Got it. All right, let's try 2. Y equals mx plus b. It gives you the m, and it gives you the y-intercept. So y equals negative 1/2 x plus 4. Got it. This one's not that bad. All you're doing is plugging in. Number 3, y equals, go ahead and do it. What'd you get? Okay, y equals 1/4 x plus 5. Whoop! Ooh, try this one. Number 4, pause the video. Cool. Y equals 0x minus 2. Now you can simplify this a little bit because 0 times anything is 0. Like 0 times 10 is 0. 0 times 100 is 0. 0 times whatever x is 0. So this is gone. This equals 0. So another way to write this is y equals negative 2. Like that. So either 0x minus 2 or y equals negative 2, both are acceptable. You may see it like this. And when you see something like this, you got to know it has 0 slope, which means it goes horizontally. That's 0 slope. Write that down too. Next one, number 5. Go ahead and do it. Ooh, what'd you get? Y equals negative 5/3 x plus 1/3. Yeah, you can have a fraction as a y-intercept and a fraction as a slope. We saw that before. Cool. That was straightforward. That was easy. So now let's work with point-slope form right here. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Copy in your notes. Boop. Here it is. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Go. Copy. All right. Notes all set up. Check it out. So point-slope form. Looking up here. Y minus y1 equals m times the quantity x minus x1. In the point, whatever you get, the x is x1 and the y is y1. So, it looks complicated, it's not. Check it out. So you have this, y, so this is m, and let's put this as x1, y1, just to clarify. So y minus y1, so y1 is this, so it's y minus negative 1, which is y plus 1, by the way, equals m times the quantity x minus 3, which is x1. So if you want to write it all the way out, it's y plus 1 right here. So y plus 1 equals 1/2 x minus 3. So you notice how the negative y becomes this, and the positive x becomes this, and there's a little pattern you can check out. So you're going to see it once we do a bunch of them, okay? So number 2, the slope is -2, and the point is for -2, x, y. So this is going to be y plus 2, because that's y1, equals slope, -2, times the quantity, x minus x1, which is 4. Got it. Let's do another one. Number 9, the slope is -1, and the point on the line is -1, 3. Okay? Y minus y1, which is 3, equals slope, which is -1, times the quantity, x minus -1, which is x plus 1. Got it. All right. Try number 10 on your own. Go. All right, let's see if you got it. Y plus 2 equals 1/4 times the quantity x plus 3. Yeah. Because y minus -2, which is y plus 2, and then x minus -3, which is positive 3. The easiest way to mess this up is to take x and put it first, and then y and put it second. No. You got to make sure you got x and y all straightened out. All right, let's try this. Number 11. Pause the video, see if you got it in point-cell form. Go. Check it out. Y plus 3 equals -5/2, which is your slope, times the quantity, x minus 0. There we go. Ding, 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 ding. Also, if you notice this, this is the slope and this is the intercept. Slope and intercept. This is the y-intercept here. So you could also write it y equals -5/2x minus 3. If you solve this for y, you'd get this. So I know it didn't ask for slope-intercept form, but you should be able to see that that's the y-intercept in and of itself. Cool. Nice job. See you next video. Let's make it a little more challenging.